Hello guys, do you need a half-inch air impact wrench for your job? If so, you're in luck. We compiled a list of the best half-inch air impact wrenches on the market today. These tools are perfect for tight spaces and hard-to-reach areas and can handle a variety of tasks with ease. So whether you're looking for a standard impact wrench or something more specialized, we've got you covered. All the products links are given in the description below. Happy wrenching!
Reel is all in. It doesn't cut corners or cut anything close to a little slack. Reel is grease-stained, rust-covered, and frozen solid. It's not for the weak at heart or for the weak at all. Reel is get it done now, not get it done whenever. Reel is dedication, innovation, and perspiration. And at Ingersoll Rand, we get real. Reel is what fuels our passion to create the very best tools on the market. Tools built to be smarter, safer, faster, and stronger. Tools that will always work as hard as you need them to so you can get the job done right. We make real tools for real work because that's what real life demands.